What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safezone Unicorn Network video. Let's go! Hey folks! Today, guys, I am going to talk to you a little bit more about WeShareSuccess and how to grow your business with the Unicorn Network. Now, guys, I am at my Safezone back office. This is very simple, guys. The back office is, you simply see all these different hexagons that they guide you through the different projects that we have. Now, for the WeShareSuccess is the affiliate program for the whole Unicorn network. And for the Safezone, guys, I have done a video making an overview of it. I will leave that video on the cards and on the description. And guys, always important, if you enjoyed my videos, don't forget to give it a like, and down below click the subscribe button and give all that appreciation if you enjoyed all my videos. So I'm going to my WeShareSuccess website. We click here on WeShareSuccess. Then you need to click on Open Website. If you are not already logged in to your Safezone, okay, obviously you will need to insert your Pernum, your password, and then your master PIN, your 3 random digits from your master PIN. And if you don't know what's the Pernum, guys, I will also leave that video and on the cards and on the description. Now I'm already logged in. I just click on the home page. Now, guys, this is the back office of WeShareSuccess, and guys, we have one of the other ways for you to grow your business or your Unicorn Network business is through what we call invitation marketing, and is through this page, guys. You simply need to copy this page, and if you copy this page, guys, you will be I'm just going to try to show you guys. I'm going to open it, and you will be directed to this page, okay, a little presentation. And then you click here for more info, and from here you will go straight to the WeShareSuccess main page, as you can see here, okay, very simple. Then we have several things in here, guys. You can check the generation, so everyone that joins under you, when you join the Safezone, the Unicorn Network, you will be able to refer people through 5 different generations. These are your members in your first generation, and down below you will see the members on your other different generations, okay? Very simple. And then you will see the US dollar commissions, if you have any commissions in US dollars, okay? Then in here you will see your commissions in YAM, and YAM is our rainbow currency. It's the digital currency that it was created for the Unicorn Network. I will also leave a video explaining what's our YAM. This actually is not working, okay? Then we have our campaigns. Besides these some of these are on the Safezone, okay? Like Solario, the International Vacation Club, Twnkle Bids, Eeboox, Twinkle Soccer also. But for instance, the biggest talent, it's a contest show, and the YAM coins, it is not on the Safezone. You can access it through here on your WeShareSuccess back office. And guys, in here you can also access the webinars. I believe that these are basically the same webinars that we have, okay, on the Safezone back office, if I'm not wrong. So let's see, yeah, I believe so. And finally, here from your, you can, if you want, you can also click here, and from here you would be directed, if you would be invited directly from WeShareSuccess. From here, from the WeShareSuccess, you can then go to your Safezone back office, okay? But guys, precisely, the Safezone is really, I would say, the main hub for everything. But in here on the WeShareSuccess, you can access your commissions. You can see the people that are that have joined under you, and some of the other campaigns, and so many other things. And so, guys, this is another very interesting way for you to build your business with the Unicorn Network. And guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed my videos, to give that like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and turn on your notifications so that you can receive all my latest updates. And always, if you have any doubts, any questions, you can always down below comments, give me your thoughts. And guys, with this, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I will talk to you very, very soon.